Guys, Andrew here and welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to back up your phone data. So what you want to do, guys, you want to go to your settings, and from here you want to scroll down to where you have accounts and backup. Click on that. From here, tap on backup on the Samsung cloud. You will see backup data. You want to tap on that, and from here you can back up quite a lot of things. You can back up your call logs, your messages, your contacts, your calendar. You can back up clock, settings, home screen, apps, and even voice recorder. And if you'd like to know more of what you can back up, click the three dots here on the upper right hand side and click on more information. And as you can see here, it says, how does auto backup work? It basically back up your data every 24 hours. And there are some criteria. Your phone is charging, your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi, and of course your phone screen has to be off. And what information can you back up? As you can see here, you can back up your phone data, your messages, your contacts, calendar, clock, and so much more. And there are some things that you cannot back up, such as your messages. As you can see, your messages, emergency alerts, files, and so much more. Your contacts, calendar contacts from sync account, and calendars, and so much more. Also, you can see that secure folder and themes are not allowed as well, and files larger than 1 gig can't be backed up to Samsung cloud. So guys, if you would like to learn more about what you can back up and what you cannot back up, just come here and read the information so that you understand what you can back up. So guys, if you'd like to back up something, just simply come here and toggle the ones that you want. On top of that, you can trigger the backup so that you don't have to wait automatically for it to start. You just need to toggle the ones that you want. And then once you toggle the ones that you want, just simply tap on backup now, and it will start to back up for you. And as you can see, I back it up just now, and once I'm done, I can simply click on done, and that's all there is to it. Very easy and very simple.